Thrust bearing failures are real on the 25, 26 trucks, but what we don't have is the build date information. So what I want to do on this video is actually get a bunch of comments together that can tell which dates are actually having failures. So if you have a 25 or a 26 truck and you got the replacement engine because of the thrust bearing failure, if you don't mind sharing your build date info. Now we could do this one of two ways, one of which is getting the number off of the engine itself, which let me go over here and show you. That's actually pretty difficult to see. So if we go under the hood, it's going to be right under there. Obviously very difficult to get to. So what I'm recommending is we actually go over here. There's a build right there. So 1223 is my truck. Obviously mine is a 2024 built truck. So this won't knock it down definitively as to who has what engine was built when, but what this will do is provide a database for people that are looking at a 25 or a 26 so we can see. Now the other caveat is to this is if you have over 10,000 miles on your truck and you have a 25 or 26, we cannot 100% definitively say that you're safe, but that's a good indicator because these failures are happening really early on. So if you have an engine or a vehicle that was built 25, 26 model year, and you have an engine failure, please let us know your build date. And that's just the one right there on the side of the door. And if you have a failure, or if you have one that's in good shape, let us know. This is going to ease a lot of concerns because we don't know if it's early 25s all the way to late 26s, or if it's only the early 26s. Either way, the information we could share with each other is going to be beneficial to many. So comment down below, let me know what you've got.